Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view somebody's profile on Roblox. So as you can see, I have this friends list over here, and to view their profile, I'm just going to hover over their name and select view profile. And then here I can see what they are currently wearing, who their friends are, and their creations, if they have any. If they don't, it's not going to show there. And you can also see their join date here, but that's about it. You can chat with them over here too, and you can see their about, and you can also set their alias, like maybe their real name. You can add it here so you don't forget who's who and stuff. And that is how you can view somebody's profile on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!